Hi there. You must be new here.
Yes, I am. My name is Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Jack. I'm Anna. Are you here to practice English?
Yes, I want to practice speaking English every day.
That's great. Where are you from, Jack?
I'm from Vietnam. How about you?
I'm from the United States. I'm a teacher here.
Oh, really? You teach English?
Yes, I do. I love teaching and meeting new students.
That's wonderful. I'm happy to learn from you today.
How long have you been learning English?
I started 2 years ago, but I stopped for a while. Now I want to start again.
That's a good decision. It's never too late to practice.
Yes, I think so too. I want to speak more naturally.
You can do it. Just keep talking every day. What do you do, Jack?
I'm a university student. I study business.
Oh, business. That's interesting. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. I want to start my own company in the future.
Wow, that's a great goal. What kind of company?
Maybe something about travel or online education?
That sounds amazing. You have big dreams.
Thank you. I think English will help me with that.
You're right. English helps you connect with people everywhere.
Yes, and I want to make international friends too.
You're in the right place then. Everyone here loves meeting new people.
That's good. I feel a bit shy, but I'll try.
Don't worry. Everyone feels shy the first time. When you meet someone new, what can you say?
Hello. How are you?
Good. That's a start. You can also ask, "Where are you from?" or "What do you do?"
Oh, I see. And maybe, what's your hobby?
Exactly. Asking about hobbies is a great way to continue a conversation.
What's your hobby, Anna?
I like reading books and traveling. What about you?
I like playing guitar and watching movies.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies and action movies. They're fun to watch.
Me too. Comedies always make me laugh. So, do you often talk to new people in English?
Not really. I only talk with my classmates.
That's okay. You can start here. It's a good place to practice.
Yes, I think I'll come here every week.
Perfect. The more you practice, the more confident you'll be.
Thank you, Anna. I already feel more confident now.
I'm happy to hear that.
Remember, when you meet new people, smile and be friendly.
Yes, a smile always helps.
Right. People like positive energy.
I'll remember that. Smile, say hello, and ask simple questions.
Exactly. That's the secret to good conversation. Jack, do you come here every day?
Almost every day, I meet students and help them practice.
That's great. I want to join your sessions often.
You're very welcome, Anna. We'll have fun learning together.
Thank you. I'm excited to meet more people next time.
Wonderful. Let's practice again tomorrow.
Sure. See you tomorrow, Jack.
See you, Anna. Have a nice day.
You too.